Welcome. Whenever you log into 7260, this will be the screen that you immediately come to. And to get started, you're going to go to Content. And once you're at Content, over here on the left-hand side, you have the table of contents. And this you will work through at the very beginning of class. So possibly before the semester starts. There's some reference information here. And then you're going to move through these learning activities. These will open on a specific date that are listed in your schedule of events. But let's kind of look through this setup. Some of these you'll have 2 weeks, some of these you have an actual week. It just depends on what you have to do during those learning activities. But if we go to getting to know the course, kind of look over here on the side, you've got your syllabus. All this is fairly self-explanatory. There's a video that walks you through the course and how to find things. There's a checklist to make sure you've understood everything that you have to do for that. And then the syllabus information includes a calendar of assignments, specific objectives and the due dates, a course syllabus, one that's printable and available in Concourse, and information on how you're going to earn your grades. 1 and 3 are very similar. There are point values listed on each of those. And that just kind of tells you basically what assignments are worth what points and how many points you need to earn to get an A. And then as you go through, you see a discussion choices section, anything that has to do with the NSTA assignments. You have semester-long project, which is the bulk of what you're going to be working on this semester. Rubrics for individual files, and then information on how to share things with your classmates. Hopefully those things are going to be helpful in terms of making sure you are familiar with Google Docs and files and things like that. And then as you go down through, I didn't find my answer, this will take you to a discussion forum where you're able to ask a question, and if I see it, I will answer it. If one of your classmates who had the similar question sees it, they may answer it for you. So that's just a nice way of keeping track of what's going on in the class and questions that everybody else has had.